In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload different contact lists to Agile CRM using a simple CSV upload method. We'll walk through the entire process from preparing your file all the way to finishing the import so you can confidently bring your contacts into Agile CRM without running into errors or confusion. First, you'll want to prepare your file. Agile CRM works best with a CSV file, so make sure your contact list is saved in that format. Most spreadsheet tools, like Excel or Google Sheets, will let you download or export as CSV. In your file, you'll need column headers, and at minimum, you should have first name and email as separate columns. Double-check that these headers are spelled correctly and consistently, and that every contact has an email address. Missing emails can cause issues or create incomplete records. Once your CSV file is ready, log into your Agile CRM account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Contacts. This takes you to the main contacts area where all your people will eventually appear. Now we're going to start the import. Look for the plus Add Contact button near the top of the screen. Instead of clicking the button directly, click the small down arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Import from CSV. This tells Agile CRM that you're bringing in multiple contacts at once from a file, rather than adding a single contact manually. Next, you'll be asked to select the type of data you're importing. Go ahead and choose Contacts. This step is important because Agile CRM can also handle other data types, and you want your upload to be treated specifically as contact records. After that, you'll upload your file. Click on Select File, locate the CSV you prepared on your computer, and then click Upload. Give it a moment while Agile CRM reads the file. Now comes the field mapping stage. You'll see your CSV column headers on one side and Agile CRM fields on the other. Carefully match each column to the correct Agile CRM field. For example, if your file has a column called Work Email, map that to the main email field in Agile CRM. This ensures that information ends up in the right place for each contact. You can also add tags at this point, which is optional but very helpful. Type in a unique tag name, like List A, to label this group of contacts. Tags make it easy to filter and segment your contacts later, especially when you're uploading multiple different lists. When everything looks correct and you're satisfied with the mappings and tags, click Import to finalize the process. Agile CRM will begin importing your contacts, and once it's done, you'll see your new list appear in the Contacts section, ready for campaigns, follow-ups, and automation.